welcome back to another episode of Angie's Table, and today we're going to make shrimp ceviche together and also the viral TikTok pasta chip that everyone's trying to make right now. We're going to compare it with regular chips and with the pasta chips and see which one the shrimp ceviche tastes better with. And the dish today is going to be super festive and colorful, just the way I like it. So let's go and check out the ingredients. So first I'm going to add my shrimp to a pot of boiling water. And this will be for just about a minute or two. What is ceviche? So ceviche, I personally didn't really know what it was either, so I had to look it up and do some research, and I found out that you can't really pinpoint it on any country. It's not like Mexican food, it's not just Peruvian food, it's a South American cuisine, and if you go to any place like Peru or Chile, they have their own variation of ceviche. But ceviche has a very interesting cooking method. Normal cooking process is overheat and it kills the bacteria and different organisms that are inside the meat. But with this, it's like cooking, but we use a lot of acid. For this, the acid will make it a little bit more firm and imitate that cooking process that you would have over fire. The minute is up, so I'm just gonna put all of these in a very cold water bath. So I'm using frozen shrimp. Make sure to get the ones that are deveined unless you know how to devein it yourself. And I got the ones with tail off, but you can feel free to use the ones with the tail on and just cut it off after you guys are done cooking it. So now we're gonna cut these into bite-sized pieces. So with this shrimp, I'm just gonna cut it into 3 parts, just so that you can get a really good taste of it when you're eating the ceviche. They look so chubby. We'll put everything into a very big bowl. So now I washed and prepared all my veggies, and we're gonna get chopping, and I'm gonna chop them into smaller dices. And now we'll add our chopped cucumbers in. Jalapeños are optional, but we're gonna add an entire jalapeno. And now time for some cilantro, also known as coriander. Now we need the juices of 2 lemons and a lime. Black pepper to taste. And let's give this a mix. And now we're gonna go stick this in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and in the meantime, get working on that pasta chip. So I have a couple of rigatoni pastas, and I'm just making a little bit because I do already have tortilla chips prepared for today. So I have my pot of water boiling here, and we're gonna boil these for a hot second until they're al dente and stick them into the air fryer. I really like my pastas, and I really know my pastas well, and one of my favorite shorter pastas are rigatoni because the sauce really gets inside, because there's a big hole in there. Every time you take a bite of the pasta, you get a very good proportion of pasta to sauce. So these are al dente, and now I'm just straining it. Pour this onto my air fryer tray. Normal pasta chips have Parmesan cheese in it, but I didn't really think it would fit in with the ceviche. So I'm gonna omit the Parmesan cheese. But when you guys are making it just to make it for regular chips or to dip it with pesto or marinara, I think the Parmesan would be a must. So we're gonna put our chips in the air fryer for about 10 minutes at 350, but it'll depend on the strength of your air fryer. So just keep checking and make sure you take it out once it gets crispy. So we're saving the avocados for last because of the color change that happens with avocados because it's getting oxidized. Wow. While that is almost about ready, we're gonna take out our ceviche and add our avocados in and give it a final mix. Eating. What should I start off with? Should I start with the tortilla chips and the ceviche? Okay, I'm just gonna use this. I think I need to use 2 to like
scoop it in.
Yeah. Let's try. I choose this over regular salsa. You guys wanna try? It's actually really good.
Yeah, I don't really like restaurant ceviche. Whenever that's fresh or good.
This is like really fresh.
This one looks fresh.
Here's one.
What do you think?
Grace? Oh my god. It's like salsa but better, right? Okay, I'm gonna try these pasta chips. Grab one. I think I have to put it in the oven for a little more. It's interesting, but
A little longer.
I think with the ceviche, this matches a lot better. I wouldn't necessarily have it with that. But I think today was another success. So if you guys try it out, let us know in the comments below. Any questions or any comments, just let us know. Can't scoop this. But we'll see you guys on our next one. Quick break because Grace found the centipede on the ceiling.
Oh.
So she's making Kevin. Oh my god, please don't let it fall on you.
Oh my god, Kevin.